Today we about to change this side skirt. Well, change, but I'm gonna show you how to remove this side skirt on this 2000. Well, on this G37. I gotta take it off so I could clearly wrap it, so it's gonna be easier for me. Shouldn't take that long. So simple tools. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna jack this up so we can get a better look under there. It's just a clips and some screws under there. Alright, so let me jack it up. So if you're not sure where to jack it from, you just jack it on this beam over here, and you should be good. As I was saying, you see how there's these 10 mils under there? You gotta take all those off. Let's take those off first, since I'm down here already. We're gonna take those off, and after that we just pry this off. Alright, like I said, you could do it. You could if you're wrapping it, you could do it with the car up like this. But I want to take it off. Okay. Start all the way back here. Just one. If you want to be extra careful, you could use a ratchet first, then use the electric. But because sometimes these stuff they be breaking. These. See how rusty they are? Sometimes they be getting broken under there, so be careful with that. This one down here. Two. Oh, getting lucky over here. Oh yeah, make sure you have your safeties on. You need your safeties. You're not trying to die. If this, God forbid, Harbor Freight jack just gives out. Alright? So, have that there. Anyways. That. This one there. Use electric ratchet for that one. Thing here. Oh, see, this one broke. It's not in there. Okay. Front. And I don't have one here either. See, this is why you don't jack the car from here, because this happens. See that? This was the previous owner did this, and this is what they did. Messed it up. Alright, so let me get a screw, because this screw is on. Okay, now you're gonna need one of these things. If you don't have one of these, that sucks, because you have to get in between here, unless your wheel is off, and you can't reach in there. You will need this. If you don't have this, you could just use the top bit and use a 1/4 ratchet, regular ratchet, or wrench, and put it on it just like this, and just do it. Loosen it up. Loosen it up. Loosen it up. Okay. Just one. Two right here. Two right here in the front. 1, 2. Sometimes there might be a mud guard over here, and you have to take that off first. I don't have it. Okay, now let's open the doors and try to pry it off. Okay, so I got this prying tool. Make sure you don't go against the vinyl if you have vinyl. If not, don't worry about it. Let's pull this first. You have to do this and pry over here at the same time. Let me show you. Let's pull on here. There's one right in there too. Let's pry this back. It's already out, as you see. I don't know if you see it. Right there. See that? Just like that. Pry that out. Okay, now we're just gonna go in here and just pry in here, like so. Okay. Here. And just pry. Now, you see that? And keep going all the way down and do that. Okay. Here, like that. Now let's open the front door. I already started over there and do it. I just gotta do over here. And it should fall down, actually. Oh, there you go. Ish. Damn, see, sometimes these break. See that? That's why I rarely like taking these off, because they're fragile like that. That's why it wasn't that tight. But I'm a plastic weld that thing back, so it could just snap in there. There you go. There you go. It's out. It's naked, as you see. If you want, you can clean that. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this thing and we're gonna put it on after. Okay, now let's put this back on there. Like so. Make sure you open the doors. Cause yeah, so let me open the doors and just place it on there. Same way we took it off. We're gonna place it on there. Okay, so I snapped it on. Make sure it's, you know, pressed in, you know, snapped in, and make sure the door closed good. All right. Now let's work over here. Try to put this over here. Okay, now I'm screwing these back. Do the same thing with the back ones. Shit, okay. Screwing these. Should look like it's on an angle. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing with the back ones. Huh? Okay. You see, the backs are on. Well, I gotta screw it in. After that, should be good. Okay, so that is it. That's how you change the side skirt on this G37. Not change, but remove it. So anybody who's trying to do what I'm doing, wrap it or whatever, or yours is broken and you want to change it, this is how you do it. I know it's pretty rare, but I just put it out there just in case anyone wanna remove it. Alright? So, if I helped you out, give me a like and subscribe. Check out the website too. Support the channel.